Well, I thought I'd give you the latest update. Most of you know that I had my engine redone about 4 months ago, and was on the road a bit. Went to the island a couple times. Went to help a few people, and then went back to work. And one day I was headed for work, and I broke down on the side of the road. So my mechanic's gone away for a while, and said I had to pull the engine. So I've done it myself. I pulled the engine. And it was a bit of work. It never worked on a diesel before. I've worked on gas engines, and it's a 6 liter is a big engine. So I got the engine out. I've got all the harness out, everything out, and now I'll show you what I found out because I was totally shocked. So here we have the engine. It's all out. It's on a nice engine stand, and had the oil cooler off to check. I took the metal, just checking for any metal pieces. I didn't find anything. I did find a small leak on the front here. I also found a small leak at the temperature probe for the water. It was loose. It was sort of finger tight, and every now and then it would leak. So ordered new gaskets for here. And then decided, well, let's take out the fuel injectors. So I took out all the fuel injectors here, and they all look good. Everything was tight. Nothing looked broken on this side. So I come over this side, and I go take out the fuel injector from here, and the screw was loose. When I popped the connector off, I could move the injector up and down. So the rest were tight, and this was here. But when I drained the oil pan, I got 62 liters of fuel and oil mixed. So they say the whole engine was just flooded with fuel. So I guess when I had the ignition on, it would just spray like crazy. It was leaking fuel everywhere. So I've ordered new gaskets, and I'll show you what I found when I put out the injector. These O-rings were broken, and this was sitting up and down going, so fuel was just going everywhere. So I've ordered all new rings. I'm replacing all the rings on everywhere, replacing gaskets, seals. I've ordered a compression test kit, so I'm going to check the compression. Everything looks okay. I did a quick check. What I did is I just stuffed some rubber gloves, work gloves, the used ones I had, just put them in the hole, put them in, cranked over the engine, and they all blew out. And so I'm waiting for the parts. They should be here Tuesday or Wednesday. And I'll start putting it all back together, rebuilding it. And if I'm lucky, I think I'll have everything ready to go sometime early next week. I'm going to check the compression test, though, first. Before I put the fuel injectors back in, but I can do a few other things. So that's what I've been doing, and I hope to be back on the road again and traveling around.